What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Got my new YouTube channel going pretty well. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them, getting a lot of information out of them. I'm gonna have to ask you to like, subscribe, hit the notification. You don't want to miss some of this stuff. A lot of good stuff. Got my new website. Remember, this is an opt-in page. Okay, this is not a lead capture page. I don't give anything out but my free advice in exchange for your email. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your email in the box below. Alright, children, this is part 3 of the totally free affiliate video sales page, lead capture page / bridge page, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to do with it. It is for free. Okay, it's pretty dynamic. Alrighty. On the first couple of videos we went over on PLR rights, what to do with them, how to get this video file up here, how to get the thank you page going. Okay, I absolutely love web starts, and I believe you will too. Okay, now again, this is simplified, for the sake of making a video. We're going to fine tune it a little bit more. Now, here's what I want to go over today. Two things, gang. Two things. Check your links. Always, always, always check your links. Okay? When the time comes, I'm going to make you some videos on these lead magnets. Okay? And basically what that's going to entail is on how to utilize them, how to make them from scratch. A lot of times you get these lead magnets from the affiliate marketing programs that you sign up for. Okay, they have built-in links in them. They have information. I'm going to show you how to edit them very easily using free tools all the time. Okay, so that said, what we're going to do today. Okay, now aside from checking your links, a lot of people, now there's a lot of controversy about this, because when people blog and they put these huge sites up with all this information on it, people don't usually read it. The majority of the people don't usually read it, even in the emails. I know if I send you guys emails, a lot of you are not reading all of it. So we try and highlight things, but it is good information. I always suggest you take the time and maybe sit back and get a cup of coffee and read through the information, or save your spot and then go back to it the next time you come online. Okay, but basically what it is like, if you get these lead magnets from the PLRs or from the affiliate programs, this is only 9 pages. It really isn't going to hurt you to skim through 9 pages to see what's going on with it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to edit them, but you really got to take the time to read it. Now, when I made this particular site, I put the box below. Okay, now let me see.
Can I ask you a question?
It's probably towards the end.
An email address in the sign-up box to the right of this video and download.
Okay, did you hear that? I'm going to let that play again. I'm going to turn up my speaker a little bit more. Okay.
This video and download your free report now. Sign up profits when you opt in today. So enter your name and email address in the sign-up box to the right of this video and download your free report now.
Okay, now if you didn't understand, my English-speaking comrade over there, he said when you sign up, put your name and your email address into sign-up box to the right of the video. Okay, now you always want to be professional. You don't want to look stupid. A lot of people might not even catch that if this was a real thing, but make sure, even these videos that you get for free, you're going to want to take the time to go through them. And in the famous words of Mr. Neil Patel, I'm sure you guys heard of him. He's like a internet guru. He's been around for a long time. He's a great teacher, and he does some fantastic stuff. And he's probably a billionaire by now. What he says is affiliate marketers are lazy, and he's right. And that's part of why we fail. Okay, I know that's definitely why I failed. You know, you want to take the time. Don't believe the hype that it's just all copy and paste and you don't need any skills and you're going to get, you know, money while you sleep and all this other malarkey, okay? Don't feed into the hype with that, kids, okay? So now the video said that it was to the right of the video. Now, I believe in the very first video I showed you this here, how to do it in HTML. I didn't show you how to do it with inserting a video, okay? All right, see, they got a video here. So we're going to X out of this, and we're going to go here, and of course, and there is a way that you can have this, although I've been seeing this YouTube sign here, this watch on YouTube thing, when they have it like in the thumbnail before you read the video. So that's new. So they might not let you do the, you know, the field code, because there is a code that you could put in here. If you upload the videos to your own site, you can get away with it. It's not going to go to YouTube. Okay, what I suggest you could do is you can actually take the video, and even though it is on a YouTube channel right now, you know, the odds of somebody finding somebody.
Do you know if you're
sorry. The odds of somebody finding both is, you know, is pretty astronomical. You probably got a better chance of seeing Jesus. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take. Now I don't know if it's the free plan. Okay. But like over here, it tells you that you don't have any videos yet to upload them. Okay, now it says YouTube. Now it says to enter your YouTube. Whoops, out of bounds. Enter your YouTube search term, channel name, or video URL. We're going to go back over to WebStar. It's the ultimate drag and drop, free, fully functional website that affiliate marketers have been overlooking for years. Okay, now let's see how this is going for us here. And I'm just going to paste that in there, and I'm going to hit the enter key. Okay, and we're going to look for our man, see if we can find him. I'm sure he's in here somewhere. Okay, there he is. Okay, is that my guy? That might be another affiliate. Let's see what's going on with that. Alrighty. Go back to YouTube. Okay. Alright, so I probably got that word wrong, so it's probably Nifty. Nifty is our guy. Alright, so let's do Nifty. Okay, where are you, Nifty? And of course, like a lot of things, there's a lot of duplicate names and similar names. Now, what you might want to do is take out the space, see how his name goes in. Okay. Alright, let me try the URL. It didn't work before. Let's just try it. Okay, there it is. Okay. Obviously, I did it incorrectly the first time. Shame on the old DOS geek. Okay. So, basically, what we're doing here is we're gonna put this, and for some reason this works a lot better than when we actually went into the embedded code. Okay, like down here we got some embedded code we could put in, because it just went right into HTML mode, and this might be like a JavaScript based, or I don't really know what kind of engine they're using to create the WebStar's platform. It could be PHP, but it doesn't matter. We don't need to know all that technical stuff. Okay. Now, basically, the video's there, and because the video said it was to the right, that's where we're going to do it, okay? Because, again, you want to look professional, you want to look like you know what's going on, and you want to look like you're the best at what you do, okay? And you are, and you will be. All right, now, there's other things with this form I'm going to show you in the next video, like if you have a Weber, okay? As a matter of fact, this is my Aweber form that I put in here with the HTML mode, okay? But if you're just starting out, you're really not going to need them just yet. And what's going to happen is when you go and you put your Aweber form in here, of course, you know, it's gonna you know, go right into your Aweber account. There's a lot of adjustments you got to make to it, but basically, you know, you'll have to watch my videos on how to do Aweber, okay? All right, so let's go back to the site, see what's going on. Okay, so it is to the right of it. All right, nothing fancy, nothing schmancy, but you're always going to want to check your links and check your material for valid information. Okay, let's face it, you want to be pros here. Now we're going to go into this, we're going to edit this because we really don't need a message box in affiliate marketing, okay? And Ewan Chang was the guy, I believe, that invented this because he's an old affiliate marketer. Learned a lot from him in the beginning, okay? Probably one of the very first legitimate gurus that became a millionaire. Very hard work, very smart guy, great guy. And do yourself a favor, don't put a message form in there, okay? You don't want people putting in too much information, okay? All right, so what do we got here? Put your best email here. Well, we're going to give them the free information, okay? Put your... Wait, I'm sorry, I keep doing it. Little old school DOS geek brain fart. Okay, I told you the greatest thing about Alzheimer's is you can hide your Easter eggs and go hunt for it, okay? Okay, click here, because remember, you always want to direct people, okay? You want to like duck walk them right to your offer, okay? To get your free, and always emphasis on anything that's free, special, beneficial, and so forth, okay? To have the call to action, you always want to have the call to action. You want it to be very simple and very easy, okay? Again, and it's monkey proof, okay? You want to always make it monkey proof. And I'm pretty sure that I showed you how to do the submission on this. I'm going to take a look at my, because I make a lot of videos and a lot of them I post on different platforms. So, you know, I'm going to show you how to do the forms in the next video, how to tweak this out a little bit, and then how to take your Aweber form and put it in there as well, okay? I'm going to start going over that stuff for you, okay? So now, once again, this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. I got my new YouTube channel going. I appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And by all means, hit that notification button because you don't want to miss a trick that I have to show you. Okay, I got my new website, rwcweb.com. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all my mistakes I've made and how I recovered from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Put your best email in the box below in my opt-in page, and I shall see you kids on the other side. Take care.